I don't like doing fake testimonial videos just to get you to sign up with a certain opportunity. I came from the struggle. I know what it feels like to be dead broke, living paycheck to paycheck. I went from being dead broke, sleeping in my car, almost losing my life in the streets, to finally having success online. Look, I've been in this industry for about 8 years now, and I will say this is by far the easiest opportunity that I've ever been a part of. So far, I've made close to $11,000 within the past couple months with this opportunity. So you definitely don't want to miss out. Success is the only option, y'all. Let's get it.
Hey everyone, this is Haywood Desjardins coming to you with income proof with TextBot.ai. And guys, this is how the money comes to you, is you're paid directly for each sale. All right, the TextBot does the work for you. It's up to you. It's a dual-edged sword system. We'll see you on the inside.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Bones Rodriguez. I am an actor, author, entrepreneur, born and raised here in New York City, where I live with my wife and 2 kids. And let me tell you, TextBot has been an amazing journey for us. We've made over $15,000. Just keep approving those $100 payments and $500 payments. It's awesome. And here's my kid to disturb me now because I'm in the middle of making a video. See that? But it's also because he just got out of the pool. So it's been an amazing journey for us. I hope you decide that you want to jump in with us and promote your primary business at the same time. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.